up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I'm back again with another Psychopath video. And before we get into it, let's go Miami. We lost game 1, but hopefully we can make a big splash coming back in games 2 and 3. So go Miami first of all. So what we're talking about today is currently that situation right there. We're talking about the jack stand. A lot of questions about that. Which stand am I using? How's it been? Durability, price, the setup, reliability. So we're going to talk a little bit about that. So this video shouldn't be too long. If you're new, subscribe. Let's go. Of course, this is a ConStands central stand. Like I said, I'll link it in the description where you guys can go ahead and check it out. Let's just start out with the installation and just take a look around the stand itself. So I'll put the exact price somewhere in the screen so you guys can see it. It was in euros, but I think the conversion to US dollars was about 250 if I'm not mistaken. But this is solid metal right here. As far as the installation, everything that had a bolt on it was separate. So the main stand was one piece except for the extension. The legs were separately. I had to put the wheels on. You can see it has 4 wheels. The 2 wheels towards the exterior, these are locking wheels, so you can go ahead and press that down to lock the jack stand in place. Wheels really feel good, nice and easy to move around. You have some of the main support right there, and if you look at it this way, you can see the jack is at an angle, so that makes it balanced when you actually put your bike on the jack stand. Going up a little bit, this was probably the most guesswork when it comes to the installation, because this had to be a perfect angle for your bike, and I'll show you how that mounted to my bike here in a little bit. But basically these 2 holes line up. This go inside of the bike, and it came with a adapter that bolted onto your bike that this piece goes into. This is in the up position, so this is where the bike actually will be when you put it on there, and then you kind of lift this up to lift the bike off the ground. You see it gets pretty tall. It's probably about 4 feet in the air when it's fully extended, and it picks the bike up probably about another foot or so off the ground. This is where most of the guesswork was, just matching it up to your bike. As you can see, it does have different anchor points or different holes where you can go ahead and put it, just depending on the size of your bike. These have to be installed as well. And it does have a locking mechanism that will prevent your bike from falling. So essentially this is in the open position. So with that being open, you should be able to lift the bike. Once the bike is in up position, which it is now, you rotate this, and then that prevents the bike from going down. So over to the bike itself, no modification have to be made except for this one. So these are the 2 holes that the stand is gonna go inside of. So this, and then this one is it's a specialty socket, and that's gonna fit the upper anchor point. So not gonna lie to you, this part takes a little getting used to, because depending on which boots you're wearing, sometimes it hits there. But for me, I've gotten used to it over time. If you guys own this jack, let me know if you leave this on or do you take it off when you're not using it. But it can take some getting used to. You can see it protrudes a little bit from the bike, but not a big deal in my opinion. So let me show you how to get this connected. Gonna lean it up like this, and you just kind of get the angle to where you actually have it. Slide it in like that. And now you let the handle do the rest of it. All right, get it off the ground, and you put this in the lock position, and you're all set. So overall, this is a good jack stand for your motorcycle. They do make different configurations depending on what bike you have. They'll send the correct adapter. Two things that I'm concerned about, areas of concerns, is one, the fact that I have to put up the kickstand before I put the bike on. That's kind of troubling, because yes, I can do it, but not everyone's going to have the strength or physical ability to do so. The other thing that I found annoying at first when I started was that piece that I had to mount on the bike in order for the jack stand to push in and lift the bike up. So once you get past those two things, it's a great addition to the garage. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Let me know which jack stands you're using. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.